Michelle here with Straw-Bearie.com. I'm a teacher, I'm a crafter, and I'm a DIYer. And today we're stamping this In the Money shirt.
To start off, I am just putting a craft board inside of my t-shirt. This is just an old t-shirt that I found in my stash for giveaway or for crafting on. I think it was actually one of my boys long ago. And I have found some fabric paint in some green, and I'm squirting it out into a little palette and then using a foam brush to put the green fabric paint on some money stamps. These stamps were given to me years ago. They're for teachers to make money stamps, to make play money for kids when you're teaching them about money. And I think I have a $1 bill, a $5 bill, and a $10 bill. So I'm trying to alternate them with my green paint all over my shirt, like it's just kind of, falling the money. And I'm not being super careful because I'm kind of going for a little bit of a grungy look. So if it doesn't stamp all the way or if it smudges a little, I'm good with that because that's kind of the vibe that I wanted with this t-shirt. My green I thought was a little bright for money, but once I had it on top of the brown shirt, I think it worked out just fine and I really liked it. Now I'm taking some silver that I had and quarter stamp, and I think I used the quarter and the $half stamps, and I didn't really like the way the silver was looking, and I had a kind of a goldish one too, and the gold seemed to work better. And honestly, these stamps were kind of dirty. I guess, whenever they were used long ago for teaching, they had ink on them, so the silver turned out more blackish. And then the gold's not showing up that well, but I wanted the coins to be on there too. And I do have the front and the back of both of these coins. So these are like little plastic handled stamps with the money with the coin on the front. And I just thought this was a cool way to use something old that I already had to create something new with this stamp t-shirt. I decided I wanted it to be an overall pattern, so I made sure to stamp on the sleeves and on the back of the shirt so that it almost looks more like a fabric instead of just stamping the front of a t-shirt. And I think it turned out pretty cute.
So here's the finished t-shirt. I was really kind of looking for that kind of grungy look, and I also thought that if my boys were still at home, they would probably have liked this shirt because who doesn't like money? I know sometimes it's kind of hard to find crafts that you can do for your boys, and I thought this one would work. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notifications bell so that you know when I upload a new video. In the comments, tell me if you would wear an In the Money shirt. Have a super wonderful, fantastic, great day. Toodles.